Traditionally, in the data center, we would have physical servers plugged into a network switch. The network switch was administered by the network administrator, and the servers were administered by the server administrator. As companies started to take advantage of virtualization and move multiple physical servers to virtual servers on a single physical server, the model changed. As we talked about in previous lessons, the hypervisor is responsible for controlling the communication on virtual machines both inside of the virtual server as well as how servers talk to the outside world. Cisco has developed a distributed virtual switch where the supervisors sit outside of the virtual servers and the virtual Ethernet modules integrate with the hypervisor to give you the same features and functionality that you're used to with your physical networking in a virtualized server world. The Nexus 1000V is a virtual switch architecture which includes virtual supervisor modules and multiple virtual Ethernet modules that integrate with the hypervisor. The virtual supervisor modules control all the policy and configuration for the virtual Ethernet modules, just like on a regular switch. However, the virtual Ethernet modules handle all of the data flow. The virtual Ethernet modules can communicate with the virtual supervisor modules over layer 2 or layer 3. And they share heartbeat messages over the control VLAN. The Nexus 1000 is a very scalable switch and can scale up to 4,096 active VLANs, up to 6,144 port profiles, and support up to 32 physical NICs per host, as well as support 250 VMware ESX or ESXi hosts per VSM, depending upon which license you choose. A Nexus 1000V acts just like a chassis-based switch. As a matter of fact, if you do a show module, you'll see the virtual supervisor modules as the supervisors for the switch, and the virtual Ethernet modules, which contain the virtual Ethernet ports. The Nexus 1000V contains the industry's most advanced software switch for hypervisors. It's built on Cisco's NXOS, so you have the same software to manage your switches with, all the way from the core of your network down to the access layer. It's compatible with all switches and runs on many different hypervisors, including Hyper-V and VMware, as well as others. The Nexus 1000V allows you to have policy-based VM connectivity. In the Nexus 1000V, you can define port policies that are applied directly in vCenter. These policies can be defined by the network administrator and can include VLANs, private VLANs, port channels, ACLs, NetFlow, port security, and quality of service. The access control list, port security, span sessions, ER span sessions, and quality of service marking is superior to any other distributed hypervisor switches out there today. These port profiles are also mobile and follow the virtual machine when they need to move. This ensures that we maintain our connection state, that the security follows the VM, and that your network is easy to administer. For the virtual infrastructure admin, this reduces deployment time, improves scalability, and reduces operational workload. It also increases VM level visibility. For the network admin, this improves operational security, enhances VM network features, and ensures policy persistence as well as enables VM level visibility.